Namaskara, I am Dr. Kishan Chandra. Today again, I want to discuss to you about waste decomposer. Of course, it is liquid waste decomposer. Old one is already stopped, Whatever people are selling in the gel form, they all are just misleading our farmers. No product is made by the National Center of Organic Farming. It is completely stopped last 2 years. No mother culture has been distributed to any companies or any persons who is now claiming NCUF or name another thing. It is all wrong. Even photo also they are putting, it is also wrong. So it is all is created by them. There is no guarantee from the NCUF side or any person is involved who is giving the support, because totally it has been stopped. So their claim is all false, and that's why people are not getting the results in the field. Even then, people are purchasing it, 1 bottle, 2 bottle, 10 bottle, and they are complaining to me every time it is not working. So I request you in a gel form, don't purchase it. That is not viable, and it is just different name people are selling it, and people who is making the video and telling it, though it is all wrong, because it is just motivated and appointed by some of the persons. So please go for the proper product, that is liquid waste decomposer, and I have already shown you. Again, I want to show you. This is the liquid waste decomposer bottle, and color you can see. This is the perfect material, and this, if you are using it in the field, it is a 100% guarantee. No ifs and buts. It will work. It will give you 100% results. It is promise, because you can see the changes. Whatever you have earlier used, now whatever you are using with the liquid waste decomposer, it is vast difference. There is no comparison. Bacteria, number of bacteria, as I told you, it contains all live bacteria, very much active and very efficient. It is a 20 years work which has been brought in the bottle form, and technology for multiplication in the field has been given, which is unmatched. Nowhere in the world who is doing it like this, what we are doing it, and we are getting the results. So I request everyone, please take the material liquid waste decomposer from the reliable source. Then you have to multiply and use it, because 1 bottle for 1 farmer is for the crops, and if it is not good, he is going to spoil the crop. Some of the farmers has used some gel form, and they have got some problem in the burning of the crop. Soil is also full of some insects. So that is happening with the all wrong material, because if the material is supplying in a wrong way, it is not proper mother culture of waste decomposer, it will give the reverse effect. So today my purpose is to show you the response and the results, field results noted by our farmers, our different parts of India. Some has been shared their videos, so that I am enclosing it, and you can judge this performance, how it is working, how wonders it is doing in the field. So one video I got from the Gujarat on the mango, and some photos and has been shared by some Maharashtra farmer, and both has got the tremendous results. They are using liquid waste decomposer, and one farmer has used the cow urine that I have told you that work as an enhancer, so that or you can say as a booster, as a tonic, so that he has used cow urine enhancer material, and he was not getting the good flowering, because we all know the mango or any fruits plants, if you get the fruit this year good, next year it will be not so much, it will reduce. Again you may get reduced, then after 2 years, 3 years you will again get the high flowering. But with the use of this cow urine enhancer, when he has used this sprays it, he has got boosted in the flower. So that's why we are telling in the Vedas, as I told you earlier, in Vedas it is written the cow urine along with the activated water, or you have to, if you are using it, so cow urine, if you use the concentrated form, 10,000 liter, you can make a 10 liter, and then you spray it, so you will get the extraordinary flowering, extraordinary your repair of the plant. Any plant which is damaged with the cells, it will repair it, because cow urine or our urine also, it has contains some antibiotic property, and as I told you, when it is cut in our hand in childhood, we used to use urine to just repair it, just to come with this wound. So this is property, and that has been brought in the form of this our cow urine 20% concentrated material. So that if you are using it, so it gives the tremendous results, and that has been witnessed by some of the farmers. And this liquid waste decomposer also they are using through irrigation. So it is every time if you are irrigating it with the liquid waste decomposer for the big plant, I already told you, either it is mango, either it is acornut, either it is your coconut, or your chiku, or your this banana, or either your this any citrus crop, nimbu, what you call nimbu, or your orange, apple, or your this pomegranate, anything, any fruit plants, when you are using it, that I have already told you, again I am repeating you, you use 5,000 liter of the liquid waste decomposer, which has been prepared within 15 days. Along with that, mix 500 liter of micronutrient, 500 liter of this your leaf extract, 500 liter of your stone element. Altogether 6,500 liter you have to do with the flood irrigation at least once in a month, but twice is ideal. If you go every time, it is very good. If you have a deep irrigation, let it be continued. Without this, no water should go in the field. Then you will see the magical changes, magical results. And spray. Micronutrient spray, I told you 3 sprays enough. Very important for the any plant. Now it is time. 100% micronutrient spray, 100% this your this stone element spray, and provided it should be prepared and pH should be 6 to 7. You have to measure the pH 6 to 7. If it is old, just you mix the water. How to check the pH? That I explain you. If you have a pH meter, you can put inside. If you see the pH is below 6, put some lime. Whatever beetles we are taking, that lime, or we are putting in the houses this lime, that you have to prepare it first. How to prepare? We know you have to multiply. You have to put in the lime in the stone in the water, because it generates lot of heat. Then when it dissolve, then you have to take some drop, put it in the our drum where you have prepared the liquid waste decomposer. If it is old, 30 days old, then you have to put some drop and check the pH. If you are not able to pH checking or any problem, then you simply mix the water. Whatever, if it is 15 days old, you take only 100, not 100%, 80% of that. You can, in 100 liter water, 100 liter waste decomposer, put 20 liter of the water, it will dilute it. This you have to use 100% spray on the flowering, fruiting, or without that also you have to spray every time. Now it is time you can spray 100%, one micronutrient, one your stone element, at least 2 times you have to give the stone element. So this you have to, practice has to continue. Then you see the flowering, as much luxurious flowering has been got by some of the farmers. You will also enjoy the same. It will increase the flowering. You will not, it is unbelievable how much it will give you the things. If you are spraying 20% of your cow urine concentrated, then you see the medical change. After that, all repairing of the plant cells will be over, new leaves will start again, and your plant will be healthy, your fruit will be healthy, your flowering will be luxurious. So that we have already done in my earlier 4 years back to my campus in the National Center of Organic Farming in Ghaziabad, and we have seen the results. It is early fruiting, 1.5 year fruiting start, the flowering start, and we have harvested a lot of this Amrapali mangoes. So same thing you will get it. So this is the video. You can see the farmers who has got the results and shared with us. So this practice you can also do it. And second, this video has been shared by one of the farmers who is faced the setback in your tomato plant. What happened in tomato? All tomato, because we know tomato is a highly disease containing carrier plant. It is your bacterial attack, your fungus attack. Sometimes it is your wild attack. It is a common. Curly your leaves you will find every time. Stem became just total rotten, it became dry. So this is the problems of all the bacterial disease, soil-borne disease, or some airborne disease. So some water disease also it is there. So he got the all the plant started just your dry, and he asked his expert to save the things. He has put lot of chemicals and everything, but all has gone in vain. He is not able to recover it. Then his consultant himself put his hand up. I am not able to control it. So what he did, he has believed on the liquid waste decomposer, and he has put the liquid waste decomposer in the field. And after 7 days, 8 days, he is seen it is start again fruiting. It is not fruiting actually. It is start again branches. New leaves has started coming, and flower has started in the plant. Then he is spraying and giving this liquid waste decomposer continuously, micronutrient continuously, and plant has been regenerated. So it is not happened in first time, but in liquid waste decomposer it is more powerful. And earlier also it has happened with the other farmers. Just to see the one video I have already attached 2 days back in Goa. One person, it is a qualified person, is Mr. Sagar. He also observed the thing. Some plants are started dry, so he just put the waste decomposer continuously and started the branches. So these all magical changes happen with the liquid waste decomposer that you can try and see. Not only liquid waste decomposer, along with that you have to always use the micronutrient, always use the stone element and leaves. That I have told you, different types of leaves you have to use it. Then again, now I have shown you some river your weed, then your river weed or pond weed, or your anywhere people have asked me different type of any weed, aquatic leaf you can take and extract with their juice with the help of liquid waste decomposer and use it as a spray. You will see that a lot of changes, lot of growth will come, and that will helpful to the plant. That is other video. And third incident is in the Haryana state. There my farmer has used this liquid waste decomposer in his kitchen garden, and he has harvested 250 gram one potato, because he has not used the prawn, he has not used the enzyme, he has not used any other thing. It is for his consumption. That's why he used this in his kitchen garden, and he had even that he had harvested 250 gram one potato, and good quality, shining is good, keeping quality is good, taste is different. So all quality has came. So, but our target is either it's potato, tomato, or your anything. It should be reached mango. It should be reached to 1 kg per our fruits. So that is our target. That I believe you people are going to do it, and Again, I request you, as people has used and they have got the results, you will also get the results. So believe it on the liquid waste decomposer. One more thing I want to share. Some people has giving the confusion that has their own interest. Like dealer, if you ask anything, they have their interest because this material is not available to them. They when they are getting 50% commission, they will always talk about that product. And if you are talking some qualified people who has already involved somewhere, they will also talk to about their own interest. So my request is you do your experiment yourself. And some people has floated the thing, if you are using liquid any waste decomposer, it decompose because its name is decomposer, it decompose the seeds. So it's all foolishness people has created. It doesn't decompose the live seeds. It gives the regeneration. It gives more sprout. It gives keeping quality will be more. So what simple experiment you can do? You can dip the seeds with the liquid waste decomposer after multiplication and plant it. Then you see how much it is coming out and how many has been died. It is not there. It will give the better results. And if you are keeping one more thing, if you are keeping the seeds, you spray the 100% liquid waste decomposer and dry it. Keep it dry and then keep it for next year. Then you see the magical change in next year, how it is transforming, how the fruit size, how the development in the roots will happen, because it also preserves the seeds. How it is preserving? Because there is some bacteria which kills the pathogens. Whatever the seeds is occupying, surface is occupying the unwanted bacteria, it will kill. That has been tested in the NABL lab and all the international lab. They have reported if you are using this liquid waste decomposer on the surface of any material, it will just sterilize, it will kill all your unwanted bacteria. So if you are putting on the layer on the your seeds and after dry you are keeping it, you can keep it longer. It will no damage will happen, no insect paste will be enter inside, and your seed will be preserved. So I believe you will use continuously, and your experience, whatever you are sharing to me, you will again share me so that I can spread to other farmers who are willing, who have some doubt, but they want to know the things. So this thing will spread through this YouTube, and you will get the information whatever you want. And I believe you will use it regularly and send the information, but do yourself. Don't believe on anyone. Do yourself. You have to witness and then send. Thank you very much.
सर, मेरा नाम धर्मेश प्रजापति है। मैं गुजरात से बोल रहा हूँ, जिला भरूच, तालुका अंकलेश्वर। मेरा मैंगो फार्म है, अमरूद है, नींबू है। उसमें से मैंने 3 साल से आपका डिकम्पोज़र यूज़ कर रहा हूँ और मेरे को हर बार रिज़ल्ट अच्छा ही मिलता है। इसलिए ये एक वीडियो बना के आपको भेज रहा हूँ। आज भी मेरा एक स्प्रे हो रहा है, डिकम्पोज़र, माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट और जो पत्तियों का अर्क आता है वो सब मिला के उस पर स्प्रे कर रहा हूँ। लेकिन इसका स्प्रे के बाद जो रिज़ल्ट आएगा वो मैं आपको बाद में भेजूँगा। उससे पहले मैं आपको ये दिखाना चाहता हूँ कि इसमें कैसा रिज़ल्ट आया है। वो बाद में मेरे को भी पता नहीं कैसा आने वाला है, वो भी वीडियो मैं आपको ज़रूर भेजूँगा। टोटल मेरा 80 जार है। एवरेज से मतलब कुछ कम ज़्यादा है किसी में, नहीं तो ऐसा ही फ्लावरिंग है। ये जो डंडे है 1 2 3 4 5 6, मतलब एक एक डंडी में से किधर किधर 6 किधर 9 भी है। और जो इसका फ्लावर है ये देखो। डंडी में से किधर किधर 6 किधर 9 भी है। और जो इसका फ्लावर है ये देखो। मैं इसका यूज़ आम में, अमरूद में, नींबू में हर 15 दिन के अंतराल पे एक एक स्प्रे कर देता हूँ। आम में मैंने टोटल 7 स्प्रे किया है, आज 8वां है। इसमें माइक्रो न्यूट्रिएंट है, ये मैं 5% के हिसाब से डाल रहा हूँ। ये मेरा डीकम्पोजर का टैंक है, ये 2700 लीटर का है। तीनों टैंक 2700 का है। इसमें आक, नीम, धतूरा सब मिला के जूस निकाला है।
साइज देखो इनका, कम से कम भी 250-300 ग्राम का आलू तो होगा। अभी निकाल रहे हैं, हार्वेस्ट चल रही है इसकी। ये परफेक्ट साइज, बिल्कुल ज़बरदस्त, बिल्कुल साफ़ सुथरा आलू, कोई दाग धब्बा कुछ नहीं है सर। ये देखिए साइज भी बहुत बढ़िया बना हुआ है, बिल्कुल साफ। ये वेस्ट डिकम्पोजर यूज किया मैंने, माइक्रो न्यूट्रिएंट्स और वेस्ट डिकम्पोजर। खोदिए इसमें